Want to edit videos like a pro on your Android phone? Adobe Premiere Rush makes it easy, and I'll show you how to get it in just few simple steps. First, open Google on your Android device. In the search bar, type Adobe Premiere Rush download. Look for the app with the purple logo written IU. Adobe Premiere Rush is compatible with a certain list of Android devices that have been tested by Adobe's product team. If your device is not on that list, you might encounter issues when trying to download the app. The app is free to download and works on most Android phones with version 9.0 or higher. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Adobe ID. Let me know in the comments if you are excited to start editing with Premiere Rush. Now you are ready to create. Open Premiere Rush, sign in, and start editing your videos on the go. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.